Welcome to Scaffold Shrinkwrap, where we build a safer world one scaffold at a time. Our dedication to safety isn't just a policy, it's our promise. It's the thread that weaves through everything we do, from the first blueprint to the final bolt. Today, we're talking about personal protective equipment, or PPE. This is your first line of defense against potential hazards on the job. It's not just gear, it's your armor. It's the hard hat that shields your head from falling objects and the safety glasses that protect your eyes from dust and debris. It's the gloves that keep your hands safe from cuts and abrasions, and the steel-toed boots that guard your feet from heavy impact. But PPE isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It needs to fit properly to provide maximum protection. So make sure your hard hat is snug but comfortable, your safety glasses sit securely on your face, your gloves fit well without restricting movement, and your steel-toed boots are the right size. Now, let's talk about fall protection. You see, working on a scaffold involves heights, and heights involve risks. That's where fall protection comes in. It's the safety harness that catches you when you slip, the guardrails that keep you from the edge, and the lanyards and lifelines that connect you to safety. Identifying hazards is another crucial aspect of your job. It's about being aware of your surroundings and understanding the risks. It's about recognizing loose planks, unstable structures, and unsafe conditions. It's about knowing when to step back and say, "This isn't safe." But remember, if you're ever in doubt, stop. Consult a competent person or a supervisor. We're here to help, and we'd rather answer 1,000 questions than have a single accident. Before we wrap up, let's dive a bit deeper into our safety measures and what we do here at Scaffold Shrinkwrap. Remember, safety isn't just about protecting yourself, it's about protecting those around you. The consequences of neglecting safety can be deadly. Let's briefly touch on what a scaffold is and its basic anatomy. Scaffolds are temporary structures used to support work crews and materials during construction or repair of buildings and other large structures. We specifically use the cup lock system for our scaffolding, which is known for its strength and reliability. One of the unique aspects of our work is our involvement with the marina. We do shrink wrap work on boats, which requires additional safety measures. For instance, depending on where you are working, you may be required to wear a life jacket. Another important aspect to consider is fire safety when using propane tanks for shrink wrapping. Always ensure that the tanks are properly stored and handled to prevent any fire hazards. Safety is our top priority, and we're committed to ensuring everyone understands these guidelines. It's not just about rules and regulations. It's about creating a safe, working environment for everyone. So let's work together to make Scaffold Shrinkwrap a safer place for all.